Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, The Chef's Table Tour. Again, I am Chef M, your personal chef in this channel, and my kitchen is your kitchen. Again guys, don't forget to subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to click or press the bell button for the personal notifications, and you are all guys free to drop your comments and suggestions. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is a refreshing drinks, no? So we have Guyabano. So nabili namin itong Guyabano sa may Clark. So made duty free, and then we have the cracked ice, and of course the blender, and just white sugar. So ika-crack lang natin itong ice to make sure na hindi ganon mahihirapan yung ating blender. So I have my ice, and then yung aking fresh Guyabano, and then sugar. So, yung sugar, it depends sa inyo guys kung gaano katamis yung gusto ninyo. Okay, of course, just water and sugar. And blend na natin siya guys. Let's add more a little bit water. Guys, yung Guyabano is natanggal mo ng mabuti yung mga buto, or else magkakalat yan. Okay, let's mix it first. But again, if you have sugar syrup, pwede naman siya guys. Alright. Napakasarap nito guys. It's a refreshing Sunday. Alright. Done. So lalagyan na natin siya sa ating. Kasi sobrang nahinog na siya and sobrang lambot niya. Nakalimutan namin siyang kainin. So I decided to make it smoothie Guyabano. So this one guys. Smell good. Yan guys. Ang sarap. It's really refreshing guys. Ayun guys, ganun lang kabilis ang vlog natin ngayon. So, sinisipag lang ako sa pagbablog, kaya guys, please keep watching my videos para ma-monetize na yung aking channel, and keep sharing all the videos guys. Maraming salamat. God bless. Ciao. Smoothie Sunday.